Hi there and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. The airplane mode is, as the name suggests, very useful. If you're on the airplane, you can basically turn it on, and this mode disables all of the connectivity functions on your watch. So anything like satellite connection, internet connection, Bluetooth connection and stuff like that. And it's mainly used for the airplane flights, but you can also use it if you want to disconnect your watch from everything, basically. And I'm gonna show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. First, we need to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like the airplane mode, or airplane icon, my bad. And as you can see, if you hover over it, it will say flight mode. And if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color. It will also have the status change to on. And if you go to watch face, it won't appear right now, but when you wake up the screen on your watch, the icon of the airplane will pop up at the top of the screen, which indicates that the mode is enabled. It basically reminds you that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you can wake up the screen, open the quick panel, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it, of course. The status will change to off, the icon will change back to gray color, and the icon from the watch face won't pop up anymore when you wake up the screen, which basically means that the mode is disabled. Let's wait until it turns off, and then wake it up, and as you can see, the icon doesn't appear anymore. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And also, see you in the next one.